One day, a student of the Doon school walked into class feeling super confident. He thought math was easy. But then the teacher wrote a number on the board, 7,429, and said, break this into its prime factors. The student tried, divided by 2, failed. Tried 3, failed again. Sweat started coming down his face. The whole class was watching. And in that moment, he realized he never actually understood prime factorization. So today, we are not going to be that student. In this video, I'll show you simple tricks to break any number into prime factors step by step, easily and confidently. Let's start with a simple one, 140. This example was taken from grade 10 chapter 1. Okay, to factorize any numbers, at first we should look at the number whether it is an odd number or even a number, and then we can decide by what number it will be divisible. For example, if the number is even, then it will divisible by an even number. And if the number is odd, then that number will be divisible by odd. So, have a look at this number. This is an even number. Therefore, this number will be divisible by an even number. Okay, tell me what is the first even number? That is 2. Okay, if I divide this number by 2, there will remain 70. And use previous knowledge. 70 is an even number, so it will divisible by 2 also. Because the first even number is 2. After that, there is 35. Now 35 is an odd number, so we should try with odd numbers. Did you know the first odd number? Okay, 1 is the first odd number. But 1 will not work, so try with 3. Because 3, the second odd number, 3, 1s are 3, and 5. This 5 will not be divisible by 3. Therefore, try with the second odd number, which is 5. Okay, 5. 7s are 35. And we cannot divide 7 with any numbers, because 7 become a prime number. Okay, so the 140 is divisible by all these numbers. Okay, remember that. This process is called prime factorization. According this method, try this one and comment. Now we are going to solve number 3 from exercise 1.1. Here we are saying, find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. In Romans, number 1, we are given 12, 15 and 21. From these numbers, we are asked to find the LCM and HCF. Wait, don't worry for LCM and HCF. First factorize all these numbers. So take 12. So 2 are 12 and 2. 3 are 6. And take 15. 3, 5, okay, are 15. Try this one and comment below. 3, 7 are 21. Okay, we can also write this 2 and this 2 to the form of 2 squared. Okay, all these numbers are factor of 12, 15, 21 respectively. From here, from here, from here. Take only the common prime factors with smallest power, that is 3. This common 3 is said to be HCF. And take LCM. To take LCM, take all prime factors with highest power. First take 2 squared, and for this 3, and this 3, take only 3 because they are common factor. And take this 5 and this 7. Okay, let's multiply all these numbers. 2 squared is 4. And 4 times 3 times 5 times 7 is equal to 420. This 420 is LCM. Okay, try this one and comment below.